Dear students, so from today we will be focusing on Adobe Dreamweaver CS6 version to make attractive web pages without too much effort as we have done in the last module. So today we will give you the introduction to Dreamweaver tool, creating simple page, saving and viewing, and then properties group, how it can be used. So let's start the practical. So here is my Adobe Dreamweaver. So this has a version of CS6. So there are different versions. So if you install this version on your computer, so you would be very easy to follow my instructions. So in this Dreamweaver we can create many different things. So we are at the moment interested in making HTML, hypertext markup language, to build the web pages. So I selected on it and it has given me different kind of things. So for example, these are the toolbars. Here is the properties windows at the bottom. Then here are different panes available, and then here is a window that is available where we want to design. So for example, if we are going to split it a little bit to see that what is being developed in the code, so you can see that this is the code which has already been written by Dreamweaver OS, and we are not going to write all of this code. So we are just going to write over here. So for example, if I clicked on this right side, so you can see that it has moved to cursor to the body tag, and if I write ITC for example, which I have shown you in the last module, so it has written it over here. And in the properties window, if I select the format H1, so you can see that it has added H1 start and end by itself, right? And if I, for example, again write ITC, it will be shown over here. And if I click from here heading 2, so it has added the code by itself. So it's very interesting that it's going to add all of the code by itself. And then for example, as we did in the last module, so let's try to complete in the same way so that you can try to feel the difference. So this is what I have added. So I have not written any of this code. I have just started typing over here, but you might know this code. That's why I have given you an idea in the last module, so that you can understand that what does H1 mean, body mean, head mean, and title and HTML means. So when all of these things have been done, you just need to save all and give it some location. For example, I am going to give it a location in my folder over here in Dreamweaver. So for example, I'm saying this is first page by Dreamweaver.html. It will save by itself. And now let's go into that location. So it's over here, and if I click on this page, so you can see that it has put all of the required things as requested in this my first page by Dreamweaver, right? So this has shown all of the things as we added in the last module using Notepad, and in this module using Dreamweaver. So we can move again back to the Dreamweaver, and we can also select, for example, paragraph or other headings, and then there are different classes which we can use. So there are a number of other things. So for example, if I want to make it bold, I will select it and click on this. So it has added another tag, strong start, and strong end, and then it has written ITC. So this ITC is now little bit bold. And here we can change the title. For example, I wanted to change it my, so maybe it's second page, so my second page, and save all, and then I should move and try to see this is shown my second page, ITC, ITC, ITC. So we have just in this module seen that how easy it is to see to write the code in Adobe Dreamweaver, and how that code is made available over here. And we have seen that this, by clicking over this, it will only show the code. This will split the screen, and this will take us to the design mode, and this will take it to the live mode. This live mode means that your HTML page would look like this when it would be rendered by web browser. So dear students, let's conclude today's module. Today we have seen that how we can generate simple web pages using Adobe Dreamweaver, and how we can save it, how we can create, and how we can view those pages afterwards. And we have also applied properties tab in Dreamweaver, available in Dreamweaver. And in the next modules, we will come back to you with some other exciting options and features available in Adobe Dreamweaver.